lots of different things. I've got a couple of things going on. The first I'm going to do is a salad. I actually made this chicken earlier with salad, and you'll see it at the end of the presentation. It's gorgeous. But I am not going to do the salad on this one. We have a few people that don't eat meat and they're vegan, so I've done a sweet potato and I'll do the salad with them with the sweet potato. So with the chicken, I did it in strips, and then I was going in, and so I just want to show you, this is what I used to make like my chicken kebab. And I rolled it in and out, and the chicken was a strip, and you'll see that later on. Alright, so first of all, I made some rice here. I have some rice and some baby arugula.
I love arugula.
Arugula and, you know, the double leafy green. Okay. I have some basmati rice.
Yeah. Basmati is a little bit kind of longer and thinner than regular white rice.
They use it a lot in Indian food,
honestly,
but it's just something like a little different.
I like it. It tastes a little different.
It does. It gives it a lot of flavour, especially on the salads.
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to put the salad on the plate, and I'm just going to mix it up there a little bit.
Beautiful.
Then we're going to load it up with
What colors we got there?
some red onion, tomatoes, cucumber, all that good stuff.
Beautiful.
Right, so we're going to load it up. Put it right over. Love colour.
It's gorgeous.
We love colour.
Yes, we do.
Okay, so that's your salads. And then we have our sweet potato. So as you see, I cooked this in the oven. It was perfect.
Beautiful. I love sweet potatoes. I could eat them every day.
I love sweet potatoes. Oh, so we're going to just lay that out.
How long did you do those in the oven for?
Well, you know, you just really...
Eyeball.
Yeah, like when you put a fork in and they're soft, I would say like between 35 and 40 minutes at 350. Okay, and then we're just going to add a little bit of fresh parsley onto the top.
Beautiful.
Okay, and that is my Lebanese salad.
I love that. It's gorgeous.
Okay, so that's
beautiful.
The salad, and I'll show you the one with the chicken at the end. So I'm going to just push that to the side. Now I'm going to work with the Ghanoush.
So we're going to start with the eggplant.
Yes, I'm going to start with the eggplant. You see, I have the eggplant. What we're going to do is we're going to scrape it. We're going to scrape the eggplant in a bowl.
And how did you cook that?
Face down in the oven, 350 until it's soft. It usually takes between 45, about 45 minutes.
And you don't have to do anything like dry it, salt it, or anything for it.
No.
That's good.
Just rub it with a little bit of olive oil. All your flavour's going to go in now. We're going to use tahini.
Yeah. Do you want your next ingredient?
Yeah, let me see.
Okay, garlic.
So we have some garlic. How many is it?
2 cloves of garlic.
So 2, one because I've got half of it.
Yeah. Let's go through garlic there. Yeah, we're going to have
meal prep is the most important thing.
Yeah, have your garlic ready at all times.
So we're going to put a garlic in there.
Perfect. Next thing is going to be lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
So 1 tablespoon, because we're doing half a recipe. If it was the whole thing, it would be 2. I love those lemon. I know, they're so
easy.
The years I spent getting seasoned.
Oh my god.
Pulling them out.
Alright.
Gorgeous. Okay, so next is going to be 1/4 of a cup of tahini. We're going to do 1/8 of a cup because we're having it. 1/8 of a cup is 2 tablespoons.
Yeah.
That's a little trick.
Oh, you're good.
I know. I've learned that somewhere along the way.
I'm going to eyeball it anyway.
Yeah.
So 1, 2. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit of tahini in there.
And then 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. We're going to cut that in half for our purposes. So we'll eyeball that one too.
So get the
Grab the olive oil.
Okay.
And then 2 tablespoons of flat leaf parsley. But for you, it's going to be 1. There you go. Yeah.
So I'm just going to eyeball it.
That's the other thing. So
Absolutely.
3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, so half of that, so you probably eyeball that. 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground cumin, which you can have.
Cumin.
I love cumin.
Yeah, I do. I've actually got more fond of cumin lately now I used to.
Yeah, I get that.
And I didn't always love
Sometimes it can be kind of strong. That's paprika. So a pinch of smoked paprika.
And
And
then
that's it.
That's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it, and it's going to come into a nice smooth paste. And what you can have is have this, right? I'm going to keep mixing it until it gets really.
It's almost like hummus, but a little
Yeah.
bit lighter.
A
It's
lot
like
of
a little-
people, yeah, they compare this to hummus. It's just, you know, I know we've been making hummus quite a lot, and you know what, this is something a little different,
Yeah.
and it comes from Lebanon. So this is like a perfect thing. You can have this on anything. I've got it with raw vegetables
Yeah, that's
today,
great.
with some pita, like whole wheat pita bread. You can have it over everything. So you see, you can pretty much see, keep going, and it'll get really smooth. Alright, so there is your baba ganoush. Right, so I'm going to put that to the side. And lastly, this is a crunchy nut seed brown. It's just made with seeds and nuts. You know how important nuts are in our diet, and we're always talking about chia seeds and pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds.
This has all sorts of different seeds.
And honestly, it's look, it's 5 ingredients.
Oh my gosh.
And it's like really delicious. So,
Beautiful.
you know, as soon as she comes back home.
So we've got pumpkin seeds, pepitas, we've got sesame seeds, chia seeds, almonds, and then that's maple syrup.
Yeah, this is maple. This is maple syrup, and it's the good one.
It's the it's the pure maple syrup. Yeah.
It's the good one.
Yeah, I love it.
So we just get a bowl. Annie, thank you so much.
Thank you
Annie.
so much, Amy.
All right, so here we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to put everything in here. This is how simple this recipe is. Make them all out. Sesame seeds. Perfect. We are going to give the maple syrup in there.
Beautiful.
We're going to give it a stir.
Stir. We got a spoon.
And we have a cookie cutter somewhere that I will fill up. We're going to keep mixing that.
That's so great. You know what that looks like, sort of, is some of those bars that are like expensive. You know what I mean?
The ones that they charge like
I know.
$5. From the time
Do it yourself, and you can control the ingredients.
Yeah, exactly. And you know exactly what's in there. Like,
Yeah.
if you do all these like without the proper like ingredients, you know, you're gonna always find, you know, when you see the ones on the outside of the shop, they're not that great.
Yeah.
So I have my tray.
Is this, you spray this?
All right, get
Yeah.
the light olive oil. You can use the light olive oil, avocado oil. Okay, and then we're going to put this in, and then we're going to bake them.
Well, you can do these in all sorts of little shapes if you have different cooking butters.
We're going to press it down, and you will see the result. I'm not going to do one just to show you.
Yeah, and it's the maple syrup that holds
Sticks
it together.
Yeah, exactly.
There's not even tons of maple syrup in there. It just
No,
works.
just a little, yeah.
Really? Wow.
Push it down so it's compact.
Gorgeous.
And then lift it up, and you have a perfect
Beautiful.
circle. All right, so that is it.
You know what I love is you have sesame in the savory and sweet mode. There's heat sesame and
Yeah.
here you have it too. Very
Yeah, eat so. All right, so I'm going to show you exactly what the after that cook. This goes in at 350, 15 minutes. Okay, so this is when they're all done. So you can see
They're
there.
like little
Clusters.
tarts.
Yummy.
Yeah, I love that.
I'm hungry.
We'll be eating those.
I'm
Yes.
hungry. Okay. All right, so this is the end product. So now you can see, this is the chicken that we was talking about. Like I see how I wove it through.
Yep. It's a little
All
like
right,
back
and
and forth.
we make a mint sauce, a simple mint sauce. With this, it's Greek yogurt, fresh mint, and a touch of honey.
Oh, nice.
And you just put that over the top.
Beautiful.
And then we have our baba
Yeah.
ganoush.
I see you garnish it with like a little bit of olive oil.
Yep,
You've got the
olive oil.
parsley on
And then
there.
we have some fresh raw veggies.
Beautiful.
And
Love
that's
that.
it. Alright, so I did do the mousse for the
Yeah.
staff here this morning just because I've been wanting them to try this so much. This is
That is so pretty.
chocolate tofu mousse.
So you're allergic to nuts, you could do this. This has nuts on it, but you certainly don't need to do that. You could do the chocolate mousse and then put fruit or whatever you want on
and you
it.
have the recipe.